Hello my friends and welcome back to the You Can Do TV channel. Dirostahl is a German-based company specializing in the production of high precision. Their product portfolio includes components for aerospace, energy, defense, and automotive industries. They are used in the manufacturing of gears and rollers, presses, fittings, and mold and die construction. Dirostahl's heavy machining process involves the use of computer-controlled equipment to produce precision parts from raw materials. The raw material is cut, shaped, and finished using advanced machinery such as CNC lathes, mills, and boring machines. The machined parts are then thoroughly inspected for dimensional accuracy, surface finish, and other quality parameters. This video is about boring mill vertical turning machines for industrial gear manufacturing in Horsburgh and Scott's workshop. Its state-of-the-art boring mill vertical turning machines are capable of turning up to 40 feet in diameter and feature live spindles for drilling, tapping, and milling. The 3-roll variable geometry bending roll, known as the HAV series, is a powerful and versatile machine designed to achieve high-performance plate bending with maximum precision in pre-bending. This machine is capable of handling sheets with a maximum thickness of up to 120 millimeters, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. The minimum diameter achievable with the machine is 1,400 millimeters, allowing for tight bends and precise shaping. These bending rolls can accommodate sheets with a maximum width of 3,000 millimeters, providing versatility in working with various sizes of metal sheets. Fast and precise pre-bending. The HAV series ensures a swift and secure pre-bending stage, with the plate always maintained parallel to the ground. This design facilitates the use of motorized feeding tables with automatic centering systems, enhancing efficiency and accuracy in the bending process. Independent roll movement. One of the standout features of the HAV series is the ability of its 3 rolls to move independently. The top roll moves vertically, while the lower rolls move horizontally. This allows for on-the-fly adjustments of the center distance between the lower rolls and the distance between the bending points. This flexibility is akin to a press brake with a variable opening lower die, giving the operator precise control over the bending process. Excellent traction and pre-bending quality. By minimizing the center distance between the lower rolls, the HAV series achieves excellent sheet traction and superior pre-bending quality. The shortened length of the straight part further enhances the pre-bending result. Conversely, maximizing the center distance between the lower rolls expands the rolling capacity. Reduced height worktop. The HAV series stands out with its horizontal cylinder position for lower roll movement, resulting in a reduced worktop height. This eliminates the need for extensive foundations, even for bending rolls with a capacity greater than 40 millimeters. This feature adds to the machine's flexibility and ease of installation. Electronic synchronized control. All HAV Series 3 roll bending rolls are equipped with the Electronic Parallelism Synchronization (EPS) system. This electronic control system ensures that the rolls maintain precise parallelism, with tolerances of less than 0.2 millimeters. It is highly reliable, as it is not subject to mechanical wear or hydraulic drive delays. The blank gear after forging will be machined on boring mill vertical turning machines. The workpiece is clamped onto a rotating table and rotated as the cutting tool removes material to create the gear cavity. The cutting tool is attached to a spindle mounted on a vertical column and is programmed to move in a precise circular pattern to achieve the desired gear shape. This is Faro Arm Precision Gearing Coordinate Measurement Machine, CMM, one of Horsburgh and Scott's modern machines. The Faro Arm CMM allows Horsburgh and Scott engineers to accurately measure all gear surfaces to provide precision gear tooth fittings. It helps operator could capture every measurement of a complex part, tool or mold just by touching it. Leaders in aerospace, machining, assembly and the auto industry rely on the Faro Arm portable CMM to easily capture precise measurements on the shop floor and in the field, even in extreme temperatures. Heat expansion assembly of industrial gears. A surface heat treatment process in which iron or steel absorbs carbon when the metal is heated, with the intent of making the metal harder and stronger. A form of surface heat treatment in which a metal part is heated by induction heating and then quenched. Carbon and alloy steels, 1045, 4130, 4140, 4330V, 4340, etc., that are hardened to ranges between 200-400 BHN. New gear design, re-engineering, or reverse engineering to increase performance and operating efficiencies. Highest Horsburgh and Scott quality gears and materials for maximum durability and longer life. In-house carburizing and heat treatment for the strongest gears available. The mechanical symmetric plate rolling machine is designed for shaping and bending metal plates. It features a 3-roller symmetrical structure, where the upper roller moves vertically in the center between the 2 lower rollers. This vertical movement is achieved through the use of a screw, nut, worm, and lead screw mechanism, allowing precise control over the bending process. The 2 lower rollers rotate and provide torque to the plate materials by engaging the output gear of the moderator with the gear of the lower rollers. However, one limitation of this machine is that it requires pre-bending of the plate materials ends with the help of other equipment. Key components of the machine include the upper and lower rolls, which are made of high-quality carbon steel, providing strength and durability. The machine's frame consists of left and right frames, with 2 racks connecting the shaft to maintain proper alignment. A gearbox, typically of the standard reducer type, is installed on the same seat as the cushion viaduct, enabling the transmission of power to the rollers. A balancing device is positioned alongside the main reducer, ensuring the upper rollers balance during operation. The machine's chassis is constructed from groove steel and steel plate welding, supporting the frame, gearbox, motor, and other components, creating a unified structure. In this section, we will explore the production process of Sokoyo street light poles. Metal plate cutting. The process begins with the cutting of metal plates, creating fine incisions with a maximum width of 1 millimeter. This precision cutting sets the stage for subsequent manufacturing processes. Bend forming. A 12-meter CNC hydraulic press brake is used to bend the metal plates into the desired shape for the lamp pole. This step is crucial for achieving uniformity in shape and ensuring the roundness does not exceed 1 millimeter. The CNC hydraulic press brake offers improved accuracy, speed, and the ability to perform automatic angle calculations, making it the preferred choice for this step. Welding. Welding is carried out using a CNC automatic closing machine, resulting in a uniform surface with the welding seam formed in one continuous process. This approach eliminates the integrity issues that can be associated with traditional spot welding and ensures a high-quality weld. Repairing and grinding. After welding, the poles undergo a thorough inspection to identify and repair any defects. Once repairs are complete, grinding is performed to achieve a smooth and even surface. Shaping. Shaping is done twice during the production process. The first shaping occurs after the longitudinal seam welding to ensure accuracy and consistent appearance. The second shaping takes place after galvanizing, before painting, to correct any bending caused by thermal stress during galvanization. The finished light poles should have minimal deviations in straightness and length. Welding door strip, electrical bar, lock seat. The door strip, electrical bar, and lock seat are welded to the light pole. Particular attention is given to the alignment of the door strip, ensuring it is securely attached and in close proximity to the pole. Galvanizing. Galvanization is a critical step in protecting the light pole from corrosion. The quality of galvanizing directly impacts the final product. After galvanizing, the surface should be smooth, uniform in color, and free from sagging. Any poles with significant sagging are re-galvanized. Straightening. The poles undergo straightening to ensure they meet the specified standards for straightness and alignment. Painting. The final step involves painting the light poles to provide them with a protective finish and the desired aesthetic appearance. High-quality paint is used to ensure durability and long-lasting color. The manufacturing process of multi-sided tapered poles by Metalpol involves a combination of precision engineering, quality materials, and rigorous quality assurance. These poles are highly versatile and find applications in various fields. The poles are crafted from structural quality weldable grade steel coils, typically A1011 with a tensile strength of 55,000 psi, A572 with 65,000 psi, or A871 with 65,000 psi. These high-quality materials ensure the pole's durability and structural integrity. The steel thickness used can range from 11 gauge, 3.0 mm, to 3/4 inch, 19.05 mm. Multi-sided tapered poles are available in a range of heights, from 8 feet, 2.4 meters, to 50 feet, 15.4 meters. These poles feature a taper of 0.14 per foot of length as standard, but this taper can be customized to meet specific customer requirements. The poles are available in various numbers of sides, typically 8, 12, 16, or 18, but customization allows for any number of sides to suit individual needs. The facility places a strong emphasis on quality control. Their quality department includes a certified welding inspector, CWI, certified by the American Welding Society, AWS. Additionally, they have Level 2 inspectors for non-destructive testing, including ultrasonic test, UT, magnetic test, MT, and penetrant test, PT. These inspectors are qualified according to AS&T standards. All welding procedures and welders are qualified and certified by CWI, ensuring the reliability and integrity of the welds. They offer a variety of finishing options for multi-sided tapered poles, including epoxy prime, hot dip galvanized, epoxy paint, or leaving the poles in their bare steel state. This ensures the poles can withstand harsh environmental conditions while maintaining their structural integrity. To further meet customer requirements, they provide additional components like base plates, handholds, anchor bolts, base covers, and pole caps. They also offer tenon mounts or drill mounts for luminaries, making these poles highly adaptable for various applications. Forgings Workshop. It is a leading manufacturer of high-quality ring forgings in China. The company utilizes ring forging technology to produce a wide range of products for various industries, including power generation, oil and gas, petrochemical, and aerospace. At Jiangsu Machinery, the ring forging process starts with the selection of high-quality raw material, typically steel. The raw material is then heated to a specific temperature and shaped using a combination of hydraulic presses and hammers. This process allows for a high degree of precision and consistency in the final product. In this process, the heated piece of metal is placed on an anvil and struck repeatedly with hydraulic hammer to shape it into the desired form. The workers use long arm clamping tools to move and flip the hot workpiece, allowing them to access different sides of the piece for forging. This hammer forging process is highly versatile and can be used to produce a wide range of parts, including rings, gears, and shafts. It is especially suitable for producing large and complex parts with uniform wall thickness and consistent grain flow. The process also imparts improved mechanical properties to the final product, such as increased strength and toughness. Hammer forging is a labor-intensive process and requires a high degree of skill from the workers. The process is also relatively slow compared to other metal forming methods, such as die forging. Despite these limitations, hammer forging remains a popular choice for producing high-quality metal parts and is widely used in a range of industries, including aerospace, defense, and power generation. One of the key benefits of this forging technology is its ability to produce parts with improved mechanical properties compared to other metal forming methods. The uniform grain flow and improved microstructure of ring forgings provide superior strength and toughness. Additionally, ring forgings have a longer lifespan and are less prone to cracking or failure under high-stress conditions. Jiangsu Machinery uses the technology and equipment to ensure the highest quality ring forgings. The company's state-of-the-art forging facilities include a range of hydraulic presses, hammers, and furnaces. The company's experienced engineers and technicians use advanced simulation software to optimize the forging process and ensure consistent quality. The punch is made of tool steel, is placed over the area where the hole is to be formed. The punch is then struck with the hammer forging to create the hole. The size and shape of the punch determine the size and shape of the hole. The workpiece is repositioned and reclamped, and the process is repeated as necessary to create multiple holes in the desired pattern. After this forging process, the workpiece is cooled to a temperature below its critical temperature, which allows the metal to harden and strengthen. This is typically done by cooling it in air, oil, or water. The punching process is typically performed with long arm clamping tools that allow the operator to move and flip the hot workpiece as necessary to access all areas where holes are to be formed. The use of proper tooling and techniques is critical to ensure that the holes are formed accurately and that the workpiece remains stable and secure throughout the process. At ASM Industries, the largest Portuguese producer of wind towers and offshore foundations, the future of sustainable energy is being shaped through the innovative use of cutting-edge machinery. One such marvel is the impressive DAVI 4-roll machine equipped with planetary guides, playing a pivotal role in the manufacturing process for platforms as part of the Wind Float Atlantic project. The DAVI 4-roll, with its planetary guides, stands as a testament to precision and efficiency in the realm of metal fabrication. This colossal piece of machinery is at the heart of ASM Industries' production line, transforming raw materials into the massive structures that support offshore wind turbines. Its 4 synchronized rolls ensure a seamless and uniform shaping process, maintaining the highest quality standards required for wind towers and offshore foundations. The Wind Float Atlantic project, a groundbreaking initiative in renewable energy, relies on these meticulously crafted platforms to harness the power of the wind at sea. These platforms are instrumental in hosting the wind turbines that generate clean and sustainable electricity. ASM Industries' commitment to using the DAVI 4-roll machine underscores their dedication to engineering excellence, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the renewable energy sector. As the Wind Float Atlantic project gains momentum, ASM Industries continues to lead the way in transforming wind energy into a reliable and sustainable source of power, with the DAVI 4-roll machine standing as a symbol of their commitment to innovation and progress. The Hermle C60 UMT Dynamic is a high-performance 5-axis mill turn machine designed for the machining of complex, multi-sided workpieces. With its 5-axis configuration, the machine is capable of performing simultaneous machining operations, such as milling and turning, on different faces of the workpiece. The machine is equipped with a powerful spindle and a high-precision rotary table, allowing it to achieve high accuracy and surface finish on even the most demanding workpieces. The machine also features a large working envelope, providing ample space for handling large workpieces and tools. The C60 UMT Dynamic is equipped with the latest technology, including a high-performance control system and advanced automation capabilities. The control system provides real-time monitoring of the machining process and allows the operator to program and execute complex machining sequences with ease.